Hi children, today we are going to learn ninth class second chapter, that is polynomials and factorizations, in that exercise number 2.5. This 2.5 exercise is completely based on identities, some algebraic exponents, formulas. So I would like to be tell you that formulas first. We have to remember this all the formulas. We have only 10 formulas here which is help us to complete this exercise. So first formula is that a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Next one, a minus b whole square, that equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then the third formula is a plus b into a minus b, that equal to a square minus b square. And the fourth one is x plus a of x plus b equal to, but means with x you multiply these two terms and with a you multiply these two terms, you will get x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Then fifth one, here x plus, we'll take in the terms of a b c, a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is the formula. So you have to remember these all formulas. And sixth formula, let's go for a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b. You can remember this formula, or else we have one more formula for this, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. You can also go for this formula. The seventh one, a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab of a minus b. You can remember this formula, or else a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, this is seventh formula. And eighth formula is that a plus b plus c of a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. This is the formula. Next, the ninth one, a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b of a square minus ab plus b square. And the last formula, that is a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b of a square plus ab plus b square. Only these are formulas we need to be remember to complete 2.5 exercise. So once again you see here there are 10 formulas. You have to remember these 10 formulas completely so that we can do the exercise 2.5. So let us start the exercise problems. So remember this all formulas. These formulas very important to complete this exercise. Then let us start our exercise. This exercise I will teach you in three parts actually, part 1, part 2 and part 3. So in the part 1 let us complete first 5 bits of this exercise. The first bit, in that first question, see that what's the bit? Use the suitable identities to find the following products. We have to use the identities which I have written here till now, that are identities actually. With the using any one suitable identity, we have to find the product of these following questions here. The first question here, x plus 5 of x plus 2. Okay, let us find out this product by using, see, if you watch this clearly, it will be in the form of like x plus a of x plus b formula. So we can write in the form of x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So let us compare the values. What is the x is x, here x is balanced, where a equal to what? 5 and b equal to this 2. In the place of a substitute 5, in the place of b replace 2. That's it. We'll change in this form now. X square plus a plus b, that is 5 plus 2 into x plus ab, that is 5 into 2. Okay, let us find out here. X square plus 5 plus 2 7 into x, 7x plus 5 to the 10. Now this is the product of this x plus 5 of x plus 2. Let us go for the second question in that. The second question of this exercise, that is x minus 5 of x minus 5. X minus 5 of x minus 5. If you observe clearly here, x minus 5 and x minus 5 both are same, as we can write this x minus 5 whole square. X minus 5 whole square. Now it is in the form of a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now we know that here a equal to what is that? X. In the place of b, that is 5. Let us change in this form now. A square, that is the same, x square minus 2 into a, that is x, into b, that is 5, plus b square, that is 5 square. So x square minus 5 to the 10 into x, 10x plus 5 square is 25. Now this is next. Here there is one more formula, that is your third problem. 3x plus 2, 3x minus 2. 3x plus 2 and 3x minus 2. Okay, if you observe clearly here, it is in the form of like a plus b of a minus b. It will give us a square minus b square, where a equal to here 3x and b equal to, in the place of b, that is 2. When you compare here, a equal to 3x, b equal to 2. So let us change in this form. A square, that is 3x whole square minus b square, that is 2 square. So 3x whole square, 3 square is 9, x square minus 2 square is 4. Now this will be the answer of 3x plus 2 of 3x minus 2. And there will be 2 more questions here. From this I'll solve one only. The remaining one I will give you as a homework. I will give you a hint that how to solve the next problem also. Here you see, this problem also is the same identity we are going to be used, that what we used in this problem, in the third problem, that is x square plus 1 by x square minus 1 by x square. So easily it is in the form of the identity, okay, a square minus b square, sorry, a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square, where a equal to here x square and b equal to 1 by x square. So let us change in this form. A square, that is x square whole square minus b square 1 by x square whole square. Simple. Now x square whole square. So here a to the power of m into a to the power of n. A to the power of m into n, that is x to the power of 2 into 2, that is 4, minus 1 square is 1, x to the power of 2 whole to the power of 2, that is x to the power of 4. Now this will be the answer. The fifth one is here 1 plus x of 1 plus x. Here is the form of 1 plus x whole square. That means it is in the form of a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a equal to 1 and b equal to x. Substitute that and change in this form so that you will get a answer. Okay, with this first bit is completed. Then let us go for the second bit and we'll solve the second bit problems. This first bit completely based on the identities. Not only this first bit, we are complete this exercise based on the identities only. that I already written the identities. We have to remember the 10 formulas. If you are perfect in the 10 formulas, there is no need to worry to solve these problems. In the second bit, see, they have given us some product of the numbers actually. So evaluate the following product without actual multiplications. Without doing actual multiplications, we have to solve these problems by using identities. Let us find out the first one. Here 101 into 99. 101 into 99. So how to use the identities here? You see here, this we can write 100 plus 1, that is 101 into this is 100 minus 1. So same thing, the 101 I have written as a 100 plus 1, 99 I have written as a 100 minus 1. So we know 100 plus 1, 101, 100 minus 1, that is 99. So now it is in the form of like a plus b into a minus b. It will give us a square minus b square, where a equal to what it is 100 and b equal to this 1. So let us change in this form now. A square, that is 100 whole square minus b square, that is 1 square. 100 whole square, that is, there are 2 zeros, so write 4 zeros, that is 10,000 minus 1. The 10,000 minus 1, that is 9,999. So this will be the answer. Next, we go for the second one. See, I will give you some hints how to do it. 999 into 999. So how to do this? 999 into 999. This we can write 1000 minus 1 into 1000 minus 1. So 1000 minus 1 and 1000 minus 1, that is 1000 minus 1 whole square. Now it is in the form of a minus b whole square, that is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, where a equal to what here? 1000 and b equal to 1. Okay, let us change in this form. A square, that is 1000 whole square minus 2 into a, that is 1000, b, that is 1, plus b square, that is 1 square. 1000 whole square. Here there are 3 zeros, no? Write the 6 zeros. Yes, minus 2 into 1000, 2000, plus 1 square is 1. So here 1. Okay, here 10 lakhs minus 2000 plus 1 here. 10 lakhs minus 2000, that is 9 lakhs 98,000 plus 1. So here 9 lakhs 98,001. So this will be the answer. Simple, by using identities. We have to change in the identities form. So write the given numbers to the nearest to 100, and we need to add or subtract, that we need to think. Here 101. So nearest to round up number is 100. To get 101, we have to add 1. Here 99. So the nearest round up number is also 100. We have to subtract 1 from the 100. Here 999. The nearest round up number is 1000. 1 we have to subtract. So that's what I had done it here. So the remaining problems also in the same way. So I will solve one more problem from this exercise. Okay. Then let's see that third one and the second bit only, that is 50 and of plus into 49 and of. So here 50 and of, that we can write here 50 plus 1 by 2 into here 50 minus 1 by 2. 50 plus 1 by 2, 50 and of. 50 minus 1 by 2, that is 49 and of. So here it is in the form of a plus b into a minus d. A plus b into a minus d. It will give us a square minus d square, where a equal to 50 and b equal to 1 by 2. Let us write here a square, that is 50 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. Here 50 whole square, that is 2500. 5 square is 2, 5, yes, minus 1 by 2 square value is 4. So when you solve this, you get answer like C. when you do the cross multiplication, 1 into 4, 4. Okay, here 1 4 is a 4, 4 here, that is 10,000, 2,500. Yes, 10,000 minus here 1, that is 9,999 by 4. 4 into 2,500, that is 10,000 minus 1 into 1, that is 1. 10,000 minus 1, that is 9,999 by 4. So next, there are two more problems. I will change in the form of identity. You have to write, that is 501 into 501. See, 501 we can write 500 plus 1 into 500 plus 1. This we can write 500 plus 1 whole square. Now it is in the form of like a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a equal to 500 and b equal to 1. Substitute this so that you get answer that. So next, fifth one, that is 30.5 into 29.5. Simple. This is also in the same model if you observe. So we can write here 30 plus 0.5 into 30 minus 0.5. Now it is in the form of like a plus b into a minus b will give us a square minus b square. Here a equal to 30, b equal to 0.5. Simple. Substitute the same b values in this a square minus b square. You get an answer here also. So with this our second bit is completed. Let us go for the third bit. In the third bit we have to factorize the following using approximate identities. So in the third bit also we need to use the identities only. By using the identities we have to factorize these questions. Okay, let us start the third bit. That is the first question. 16x square plus 24xy plus 9y square. So let us complete this. We have to change this in the form of identity. So let us write this 16x square like a 4x whole square plus last term you do it now 3y whole square. 9y square is nothing but 3y whole square. 4 square is 16, x to the power of 2 is x square, 3 square is 9, y to the power of 2 is y square. So now here how to do it? Now it is in the form of a square plus b square. Now we need 2ab, 2 into, this is a, nothing but a 4x, this is b, nothing but 3y. Now you multiply this all, you get the same 24xy. 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24, x into y is xy, is balanced no? Now it's nothing but it is in the form of like a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now it is in the form of like we can write the formula. This is the formula a plus b whole square. So here a equal to, you observe wherever the a equal to completely, that is 4x and the b equal to what you get 3y. So that we need to be substitute in this a plus b whole square, that is 4x plus 3y whole square. Simple. This will be the answer. 4x plus 3y whole square. Or else this also we can write like a 4x plus 3y into 4x plus 3y. 4x plus 3y into 4x plus 3y, that is 4x plus 3y whole square. Here we can stop it or not, we can continue till here. Then we go for the second problem here from the same bit. 4y square minus 4y plus 1. So if you observe clearly, it is in the form of a minus b whole square, like a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let us write that here 4y square I will write as a 4y whole square. Here 1 I will write as a 1 square minus 2 into a, that is 2y, b is nothing but I will use 1. So see that now it is in the form of like a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square, that equal to a minus b whole square, where a equal to what, that is 2y and b equal to is what, that is 1. So we will rewrite as a, that is 2y minus 1 whole square. Now this also we can write like a 2y minus 1 into 2y minus 1. That is what 2y minus 1 whole square. Now again we have again 4 problems from the same bit again. Okay, so let us also complete 2 more questions from this bit again. I'll give you 2 questions as your work. Simple. Let's go for third question, that is 4x square minus y square by 25. So here 4x square is nothing but 4 is the perfect square, that is 2 square is 4. So I'll write 2x whole square minus y by this 5 square is 25. So y by 5 whole square, that is y to the power of 2 is y square, 5 square is 25. Its values nothing but it is in the form of now a square minus b square. It will give us a plus b into a minus b, where a equal to what here 2x and b equal to what here y by 5. Y by 5. So this we need to substitute in this form now. A plus b, that is 2x plus y by 5, and here 2x minus y by 5. So this is what we have factorized this. Okay, let me go for the fifth question here. X square plus 5x plus 6. Here x square. So plus here if you observe, it is in the form of like x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Nothing but x plus a into x plus b form. Okay, to change that I can write this 2 into 3. The 6 I can write as a 2 into 3. Here I can write this 2 plus 3 into x. 2 plus 3 into x. See now it is completely in the form of like a square plus a plus b into x plus a into b, that equal to x plus a of x plus b. It is also one of the formula identity only. So to change that, see we know that x equal to x only here, x equal to x, where a equal to what, that is 2, and b equal to what, that is 3. So let us change that form. X plus a, that is x plus 2, and here x plus b, that is x plus 3. So completed. So the remaining 2 problems, that is 4th one and 6th one, you people have to do it. The 4th one is here 18a square minus 50. Then the 6th one 3p square minus 24p plus 36. You have to identify which form it is, which identity form it is. You have to identify that and solve it. Factorize this problem. Next, let's go for 4th bit. Let's go for the 4th bit, that is, see that expand the each of the following by suitable identities. Expand the each of the following by suitable identities. Here we have to identify what are the identities. X plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Simple. Now it is in the form of like a plus b plus c whole square. Nothing but a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So here simple, a equal to x, b equal to 2y, c equal to 4z. That we need to be substituting this. Let us see. A square, that is x square, plus b, that is 2y whole square, plus c 4z whole square, plus 2 into a, that is x, into b, that is 2y, plus 2bc, 2 into b, that is 2y, c, that is 4z, plus 2 into c, that is 4z, into a, that is x. Okay, let us find out now. X square plus 2 square is 4, y to the power of 2 is y square, plus 4 square is 16, z to the power of 2 is z square, plus 2 2s are 4, x into y is xy, plus 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 y into z is yz, plus 2 4 the 8, z into x is zx. So this will be the expanded form of this question. Now again we have some more problems from this bit. By using identities we need to solve that problems. Okay, let us solve one more problem, that is the third one. See the third one, that is minus 2a plus 5b minus 3c whole square. It is also, sorry, it is the third one, yes. See the second one we have to do it, that is second one is that, the second question is that 2a minus 3b whole cube. A minus b whole cube formula. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab of a minus b formula. By using that formula we can write that. Here is the form of like a minus b. Like same formula again. A plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. But the small change here, a equal to minus 2a, b equal to 5b, c equal to minus 3c. This we need to substitute here. A, that is minus 2a whole square plus b, that is 5b whole square plus c, that is minus 3 whole square. 2 into ab, 2 into a, that is minus 2a, into b, that is 5b, plus 2 into b, that is 5b, into minus 3c, plus 2 into c, that is c is minus 3c, into a, that is minus 2a. Yes. Minus 2 whole square, that is 4a square, plus here 5b whole square, that is 25b square, minus 3 whole square, that is 9c square. Here plus into minus is minus, 2 to the 4, 4 5 is 20, a into b is ab. So now here plus into minus is minus, 2 5 is 10, 10 into 3, that is 30, 30 bc. Here minus into minus plus, plus into plus is plus 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12 c. So these are simple. So here if you observe clearly, see that we got plus term here. These two terms we got minus, and this term we got plus. In the sense, where you get the plus, there you need to think that here where you got the plus in the place of 12ca, that means c and a. Here c term and a term will be negative. Wherever the b presents here in these two terms, there you got the negative. That means b will be only positive. Where you get the c, here at the place of c and a, product of c and a, you got the positive. So the c and a will be negative, because this we need to remember to do the fifth bit. Where we get the positive, there we have two negative values. Okay, ekkada positive vaste akkada negative untadi. So next let us solve here the fifth problem. P plus 1 whole cube. Now it is in the form of like a plus b whole cube. To change this, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b. In this way we can change. Okay, or not, you can also write in the other form. We have to write the expanded form. Let us write the other formula of this: a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This formula will write. So here a equal to p and b equal to 1. So let us change in that form: a cube, that is p cube, plus 3 into a square, that is p square, into 1 plus 3 into a, that is p, into b, that is 1 square, plus b cube, that is 1 cube. Let us write here p cube plus 3p whole square into 1 is the same. 3 into p into 1 square is 1 only, that is 3p, plus 1 cube is 1. Okay, this will be expanded form of this. Now the last one we have like one more question, the sixth question, that is x minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. That is nothing but a minus b whole cube. The formula is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So here a equal to x and b equal to 2 by 3 into y. So let us change in this form now. A cube, that is x cube minus 3 into a square, that is x square, into b, that is 2 by 3 into y, plus 3 into a, that is x, b square, that is 2 by 3 y whole square, minus b cube, that is 2 by 3 into y whole cube. Okay, let us do it here. Here 3 and 3 get cancelled, x cube minus here 2 into x square y, only 2 x square y is left, only one numerical term 2 x square into y, x square y, here plus 3 into x into 2 square value is 4, 3 square value is 9, y to the power of 2 is y square, minus 2 cube value is 8, 3 cube value is 27, y to the power of 3 is y cube. So here 3 ones are 3 3 will get cancelled. We get ultimate answer, the last answer, x cube minus 2x square y plus, here we get only 4 by 3 is the numerical term, x into y square minus 8 by 27 y cube. So this will be the answer. So the remaining two problems from these bit, fourth bit, the question number 2, that is 2a minus 3b whole cube. It is in the form of a minus b whole cube in the same model. And the question number 4, a by 4 minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square. It is in the form of a plus b plus c whole square form. Okay, these two formulas, by using that two identities, you have to complete the remaining two problems from this bit, fourth bit. And we have one more bit, that is fifth bit here. In this video, this is the last bit. The remaining problems of this exercise I will complete in the next video. Here, the fifth bit is factorize. They have made two questions. Let us see. We will factorize this. We have to identify in which formula form it is actually. In which formula form it is, that we need to identify. 40xy plus 16yz minus 20xz. Okay, let us solve this. We will factorize this. To factorize, we have to identify which formula form it is actually. If we see a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, in that form. Okay, when you write here one formula like a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, that equal to a plus b plus c whole cube, whole square, a plus b plus c whole square formula. So we have to change this in this form first, LHS type form, so that we get RHS easily. See 25, that we can write 5x whole square. 5x whole square is nothing but 25x square plus here 4y whole square, that is 16y square plus 2z whole square, that is 4z square. But you need to be see that here this is a minus term and this is also minus term. Minus term and minus term. Here you got the plus term 16yz. That means where you got the plus term at the place of y and z, the product of y and z. So both y, where is the y here? Here is the y and here is the z. So this two you make it negative. This two you make it negative. Minus into minus plus. See, y is negative and z is negative. Minus into minus, you got plus. Only the x will be positive and remaining two will be negative. So you have to change this. Now let us write here plus. Here 2, we write as a 2 here. Okay. A is nothing but in the form of A is the 5x. So we will use 5x. Here there is a y. Y is nothing but b. Nothing but a b, that is minus 4y. See, I am going to be changing this form direct. So you got that minus 4 by you find the product of this. Plus into minus is minus 2 5s are 10, 10 4s are 40, x into y x y. It is balanced. See. So you have to assume this is a this b and c. It is 2ab completed. Now 2bc you have to complete plus 2 into in the place of b is what actually b equal to here I write a equal to 5x, b equal to minus 4y and c equal to minus 2z. Okay, here b is nothing but a minus 4y into c is nothing but minus 2z again plus 2ca c is nothing but again minus 2z. Okay, and here a is nothing but again 5x. Now you find out the product of this already we checked. This will find out minus into minus plus, so you get plus here 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16, y to z is yz. Now here we will check. Here plus into minus is minus, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, x into z is xz. It is balanced. So now this is the form of this complete will be the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca that equal to a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square where a equal to 5x, b equal to minus 4y, c equal to minus 2z whole square. So this is what simple. We are factors completed. Very simple, no? So let us see the second one. We have to see the second one now. So what is the second question from this bit? There are two questions are given. Let us see the second question from this fifth bit. Here 9a square plus 4b square plus 16c square plus 12ab minus 16bc minus 24ca. Okay, let us change this again in the same. Okay, here we have to observe which term is positive. First we will write here this 3a whole square plus 2b whole square plus 4c whole square plus we have to see which term is positive in this. So these two terms are negative, only this term is positive. Where you got the positive, when the product of a and b you got positive, that means a term and b term will be negative. This is a term and this is b term is negative. Only c term will be positive. So simple. Now we have to change this in the form of 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. Here 2. Here a equal to what? Right, minus 3a, b equal to minus 2b, c equal to 4c. Now let us write 2 into a. A is nothing but a minus 3a. Here b is nothing but minus 2b. Now you find out minus into minus is plus. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. A into b is ab, balanced. Now let us go for plus 2bc. 2 into b. B is what here? Minus 2b. C is nothing but a 4c. Okay. Now you find out plus into minus is minus. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, b into c, that is bc. Now again plus 2 into ca. This is what we have to do. C is what? 4c. A, that is a is what? Minus 3a. Now you find out that means 24 minus 24ca I have written in this form to get in the form of 2c. So here plus into minus is minus. 2 4 is 8, 8 is 24, c into a is ca. So now this 12ab minus 16bc minus 24ca I have written as a plus 2ba plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca form in this form. To change in that form, I have taken here a equal to minus 3a, b equal to minus 2b, c equal to 4c. This I have got simplified by 9a square plus 4b square plus 16c square. So we have to mind. Now we will compare it. We will change in this form now. A plus b plus c whole square is a equal to what here? Minus 3a plus b equal to what? Minus 2b, c equal to plus 4c whole square. Simple. So we have to change the question first in this form. a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Which term we have to take positives and which term we have to take negative? This depends on the plus contents term. Here it is a plus content. That means these two are negative. That a and b will be negative. Here a term I have taken a negative and b term also I have taken a negative. That is what we need to think. So I hope you understood this complete 5 bits problems. This all based on the identities only. That complete identities you have to remember, practice thrice and twice, so that you will get practice. Remember all the formulas. With the help of identities only we can do these problems. So the further problems also, the 6th bit to again 11th bit, we have till 17 bits are there. 17 bits are there. Again I will do that remaining from 5th bit to 10th bit. I will do as a one part. Again remaining problems are one part. Complete this exercise I will do in the 3 parts. So this complete 17 problems based on formulas only. So practice formulas properly and remember. I hope you understood. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you all.